Hello everybody, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica and you might think I went completely crazy. Why am I showing you this complete mess? The reason why is that I just finished a pour and I've got some leftover colors here on my table. So I'd like to show you what I usually do when I finish my pour. I don't like wasting colors, so I've got this piece of plastic and I'm gonna scrape all of these colors in my cup. And I'm gonna reuse them for next little project. I think this will be perfect chance to make a beautiful ring pour, because I've got some beautiful shades of purple, violet and blue. I also have got some leftover white, so let's pour my leftover white in here. So I've got enough colors for my little ring pour. I wanted to show you which kind of colors I used. I used mix of rose and violet. I love using these pouches from Arteza because you can nicely squeeze them in your cup. So rose, violet and also Prussian blue and phthalo blue. That's all my mix, and I mixed 50% of acrylic colors and 50% of pouring medium. That's my mixture. I didn't put any silicone in my colors. So let's try to pour this on my little canvas, which is size 20 times 20 centimeters. Oops, never mind. Let's try to move this beautiful ring everywhere.
Looks like a galaxy hole.
Wow, that's some beautiful layering. Layering, I can't say that word. Let's just mend this corner. Wow, Look at that, so beautiful. I love these layers, it looks like amethyst. I'm gonna let this dry and show you the finished result. And after 4 days, my ring pour is dry. It turned out beautifully. I love how 3D that looks, and I decided I'm gonna paint some water droplets which will be going inside of that hole, and for that I'll be using my titanium white from Arteza and also a mixture of Mars black and violet. I'll be mixing these two together and create a really dark shade of violet. I'll be using these types of brushes, small one for little details and bigger one for blending, one for dark, the other one for light color. So I think this place will be a good spot for my first water drop. I'll try to paint it and show you how that looks. Here it is, this is how it will look, and I'll try to show you little details so you can see how I painted that water drop. Here's a good spot. I usually start with dark color. This time I'm using very dark violet, but it's good if you use very dark colors or black. Black is good for these edges because it looks good. And I use my blending brush for blending the dark color like this. And then I'm gonna use my white to draw or to paint my bottom part of water drop. And then again I'll use my blending brush for blending the white color. And I sometimes put my brush in the water because it helps to blend the color nicely. Like this. Very gently blending this light color so it creates a nice edge for my water drop. Now I'm trying to blend these edges together so the colors gradually blend into each other. Like this. And now it's time to paint the shadow underneath my water drop, and it's best if you use black for this shadow. If you used dark gray, it wouldn't look so good, but of course you can experiment however you want. But from my experience, it's the best if you use black acrylic color for your shades, and you can try to blend them a little bit so it looks nicer and the shade is not too sharp. But even if it's too sharp, it looks good. And the last part is to paint reflection on your bubble or water drop, and you can paint loads of different shapes. I decided to make this shape because I think it will look nice. And this is just something I tried. You don't have to do this step. I just wanted to add a little bit more depth to my water drop, but it's not necessary to do this. Even if you leave it like the black edge or the dark edge, it will look nice. Now that's done, and voila, here are my 3 water droplets. I'm gonna paint a little bit more, and here's the result of the finished ring pour with water droplets. I love how 3D that is. It looks like these water droplets are going in that hole in the middle. And I'd like to dedicate this painting to all of those who lost somebody or something due to the coronavirus situation. It's very difficult for all of us, but hopefully there is a bright future for us. Hopefully it will all go away soon. So if you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel where you can show me your beautiful art. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay safe and healthy. See you soon. Bye.